More movements for Rygin King as the DJ has been transferred yet again.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Dancehall DJ Rygin King, given name Matthew Smith, is on the move again. Some 11 days after being transferred to an undisclosed medical facility for security reasons, he was relocated again. Sources close to the entertainer revealed that he no longer requires 24-hour monitoring and he is now doing very well. Great doctors around the clock. He is healing well, the source continued. Of note though, the DJ is said to be constantly monitored by a heavy security detail. This after he was shot and critically injured after leaving a funeral in Westmoreland on Sunday the 28th of June. Reports are that he was traveling in a convoy in the Stewart district of Westmoreland when one of the cars in the convoy was involved in a collision. According to eyewitness reports, while repairs were being done, another car drove up and a passenger alighted, hurling expletives at the entertainer before opening fire, hitting the DJ and two members of his party. He was one of 3 people shot in the incident. He was rushed into emergency surgery at the Savannah Lamar Hospital. A female, 28-year-old Sasha Lee Blackwood of a Irwin Meadows St. James address succumbed to her injuries. Rygin King was subsequently transferred to the Falmouth Hospital to continue his treatment. However, 11 days ago, he was allegedly airlifted from the hospital and moved to another medical facility after a group of men showed up and attempted to gain access to him. The police who confirmed the incident detained the men. However, they were eventually released. As a result of the latest development, this would mean that this is the 4th hospital that Rygin King has received treatment from since the shooting incident.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.